this video. I'll be
I hope it doesn't. I hope it doesn't.
Alright.
Because you know what?
True. That mofo is loud. That show could be. Watch. We gonna rewatch this, and it's gonna be in the back, loud and clear. Just like, who's killing someone? And we're just gonna have to type back. No one's dying.
A fat kid just got excited about a Twinkie. It's okay.
Like,
we're recording. I did not.
Hey everyone. Well, we're assholes, but we are going to watch BTOB Beat Beat music video.
Too many B's.
4.
BTOB Beat Beat. That's still too many. Can you say it? Like, say that.
BTOB Beat
5
Beat.
times fast.
No.
Yeah. Can you do it?
No, I can't. If you burp in my face or cough on me, I will murder you.
I'm done. Just.
You ready?
Yes.
Watch, you're gonna get the hiccups in the
No,
video.
not.
Yeah. I think he gave him a finger. I would have ran him over. He straight left you. Littering.
You say, oh girl or oh god?
Girl. Yeah. Their English isn't bad. Yeah, his English isn't pretty.
No, that's very
unpretty. Which one? I think, yeah, the one that's in the stupid green hat is the one who speaks English. He's from here.
The car's not even started. What are you getting all excited about?
They're in traffic. They're like, we got crap to do.
What traffic? It's 2 cars.
What's it? Yeah, I saw it in Countdown. I died. I was like,
lazy. We were like sitting down and going like,
no, you have to see the rest of the dance. Because the rest of the dance is not. That's the only lazy part of the dance. If I'm sitting in traffic going like, oh, well, there's this each kind of personality car or something. Or is this like, do you think people like new cars? I don't. I see a school car. That guy doesn't know what he's doing. Ooh! Oh, yeah, I know that guy. Ninja?
is that a blow hug or is it?
No, I think they're fighting.
I was going to the Twinkies having a blow hug or they're going out. They're just like,
yeah, no, you're not a cutie.
okay, yeah, so if you were Twinkies and we're doing steady.
They're not twins. They don't look nothing like
like, the dress, like, you don't do that unless you're doing each
thing. He flung it. Oh, wait a minute. He flung him and then he just eats. Look at that.
I feel like I know when they lock the butt, I just saw butt and thighs.
What are you doing?
So they got my butt. You have to hold on.
How did you get the piano in? Like, where did the piano come from?
Where did the sheep come from? That's no country.
Killer. Jeez, try to be nice.
I'm sorry.
Everybody can sound like they will. Get on. I'm sorry. I don't know why, but it's reminding me of something.
We should have started using chicken in these videos. That's just so much better that
I
way.
like the brown fever. I love Daffy today. Really? Yeah.
The American Family is about Asian Family.
Both. Did you not watch Very Good? Yes, there was. There were 2 because they were straight holdings and they were nicknames. I saw it. Believe me, I had that ask for that moment. I think I watched the video 5 times just to catch it. And so I put in the comments. I was like, That's cute. My car. I want it.
The bumper car is still like country like the little girl got one. I just walked through. But you can't have the people at the side. We need to go car again. No, lady tag.
You got tickets. Not 1, but 2.
We got 4 cars.
No, that one got 2 tickets.
What is he doing? Just like, I can rip it up. I can take it.
He's like, wait, I didn't know it was no parking here. And so they're like, you idiot, can you not read?
He was very desperate to get that ticket off the car, even though, the damage is done.
Yeah.
It was done.
So what do you think of the video?
They didn't say beep beep, not even once. Which
Yes,
was
they
like,
did.
What?
Yeah,
When?
in the chorus.
Is that what that was? I thought they were just like hitting high notes. I didn't hear
That
the
was
beat.
one moment.
I had never heard the beat.
Excuse me. I
Yeah,
got a
now
burp.
it's being gross.
I'm not coughing in your face.
Yeah.
Or burping in your face.
All right.
Like,
After the first couple times, I did it on purpose.
I can tell.
They didn't say B though.
Yeah.
I didn't hear the B.
They were.
Like,
They're not gonna
beep,
enunciate.
beep.
They're not gonna be like beep.
Oh, you
beep.
know how I thought girl was God? They was like,
Yeah.
They were like, oh girl,
They're
and I was like, I heard oh God, and I was like, oh God, oh my God, are you all right? Is it that bad? I mean, dang. But overall, it was a little catchy.
I liked it.
Not as catchy as some of the stuff I usually listen to. But
It's very creepy.
near the end, the dancing's pretty good. Even though at first they were just like lazily, just like fling the legs, fling the legs.
They weren't even fling the legs. It was the
They were-
hands.
What are you talking about? They were doing.
It was the
Oh, yeah.
yeah.
But should I like rate it on a scale of 1 to 10?
Yes. Like
4.
before what?
4 out of 10.
You're not gonna be like 4 candies? 4 little
4
steaks.
skulls.
Of course
4
you would.
skulls out of 10 skulls.
And yeah. Skulls
4,
in her
4
terms.
pumpkins out of 10 pumpkins.
I wanna drop one on your head.
Pumpkins.
Do you want pumpkins or skulls?
I want pumpkins. I
All
like
right.
skulls, but I just pumpkins is like a lasting joke.
Then for
from
her,
going on.
BTB gets 4
pumpkins.
pumpkins out of 10.
I wish we had like a little icon. I could just have a flash pumpkin thing at the
Me
bottom.
too.
I'll work on it.
Pumpkin
I'll work
meter.
on it.
Doop, doop, doop. Awesome.
4 pumpkins.
I'm gonna do what I do best
Pumpkins.
and rate it as candy because I love candy. So I love BTB, so I give them 7 candies.
What, you get 7 candies?
I would give them 7 candies.
We
rating.
We can't have
Rating,
different.
Taylor.
We can't have different ratings.
I like
things.
BTB. I listen to them.
No, I'm
you
talking
don't.
about how we
Overall?
rate it. Like I got pumpkins and you got candy. I think we should stick with pumpkins.
Halloween. There.
But pumpkins is cool. I'm not gonna want to use candy.
Fine.
Yeah,
This is my channel, and I'm okay. Whatever. Okay.
pumpkins.
Whenever you're on the channel, pumpkin. When I'm alone, candy. There.
That's still dumb.
No, it's not.
No, it's totally dumb.
No, it's not.
How you
You're
managed to get
evil.
10 viewers
Wait, we're
is,
just
like,
fighting.
beyond me.
Taylor, we're just fighting.
You got a
I thought you
subscriber,
wanted.
didn't you?
Yeah, I do.
God, how did that happen?
Actually, I'm quite curious. Subscriber, why did you subscribe?
They're not actually gonna answer.
why?
Me. They're not gonna answer.
You never know. Like I,
I
don't know.
do. I for a fact.
Do you
I
ask
do.
your subscribers questions and they don't answer?
No, I haven't posted a video on YouTube in like forever.
Didn't you have some subscribers? Okay, subscribe.
I don't even remember.
Okay, we need to end this video.